Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how can you customize the style of your theme easily from the global setting of your theme. To do this, we need to go to the settings, and in these settings, you will see we have several options. Let's start with the general. On the general, you can see we have option to upload your favicon icon, and this is the default page background color. And if you want to use an image to the site background by default, you can check this box and upload your image. And this is the desktop uh, scaling start. I think we don't need to update this one as it was set by the theme developer. Okay. And then the color option. We have two different color options for the site because when we work on the site, you may see we have two type of color scheme. This is the light one and this is the dark one. The light background color setting, we have several options, primary, accent, and we have button options because the button might have an icon and you want to change that icon too. Also, we have some background color options and button color options that is also available. Same for the light uh, same for the dark background color. And also we have button options. These are the global button option. And this can be uh, applied to all your button, including font, CTA, everything. And this is the font style. And on the font style, we have two options. We can use custom font or we can use Kajabi fonts. So if you want to add a custom font, you need to add some code to the custom CSS setting. I will cover that in a moment. And then you will see we have a drop down. These are the available font in Kajabi, and you can pick a font from this list. And all you need to remove the custom font name from this field. So this is the pre-heading font, and this is the heading font, and this is the subheading font and body font, and then we have button and net font, and of course we have accent font and desktop font size. You can see every font is available here for the sizing, and we also options for mobile font size and some error messages. Okay, so let's break down few things to your understand how the font actually works here. So we have pre-heading font, and these font are the smallest font that you might see on some area. Okay, so this actually the A6 font. So if you go down, you can see we have A6. Okay, and on the text block, you can actually select a font from A6 to A5, A4. So this is the paragraph font, and when we have the heading one, two, three, and four, these four headings represented the heading font. If I go back to the settings and the font style, you can see we have pre-heading headings. So H1 to H4, these are represent the heading font. And for the H5 is representing the subheading font. And H6 is representing the pre-heading font. And for the body font, that is the paragraph font. Okay. And then we have button and nav. So when we have a button or CTA, and we have the navigation on the header. These are using this font setting. This accent font is usually used on heading, and we also have some class that is accent font, or we might have some custom coding to apply this one. Okay, and then we have the heading font size and everything. Then I'm going back to the other setting. We have design tools. These are not very essential to use, and then we have custom code option. On the custom code option, we have this custom code. You can see we are using a custom Google font for our font, and this font also include if I s- slide left, we can see we have TikTok font and Um, yeah, we have the TikTok one. Also, we did some customization to these few items. For example, we added some margin and some button, and these are the JavaScript that is specific for this template. And then we have some other options like password options. This is for the login page and password reset page copy. And these are the default Kajabi options. And we have Discord what comment options. You can add that commenting to the item. And these are the disable pages. Okay. Here you can disable few pages that is that offered by Kajabi. That is the member directory and announcement page. So that's it for now. And uh, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.